Hi there. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how I assemble the swirl flowers that I made to fill on my 4-feet monogram recently very easily. So basically, it's very large. I use the 12 by 12 I use the 12 by 12 paper. If you have a smaller arrangement or a smaller monogram that you're going to work on, I would recommend to use the 8.5 by 11 or lay out 2 pieces of this design on one 8.5 by 11 paper. So this video, I just wanted to show you guys how I made this. So here we go. I already pre-cut this one. I have 2 designs that would be included in the monogram filler package. So this swirl template and this one too. So let's work on first with this particular design, and let's set aside the spiky one. So, oops. Another thing, remove the stickers before you cut. So one thing that I want you to do is, you see this end part, make it sure that when you are working on, it's on your right side, not on your left. It's on your right side. So first thing that you're going to do, you need a skewer or any tiny stick, and then just start rolling the paper to your stick until it's firm enough for you to hold it end to end. So when you are rolling it, keep it tight, guys, like so. So basically, as I said on the previous video, this is super easy to make. The only timing that really consume more of your precious time is the cutting. Since it's a 12 by 12, it really takes at least a minute to cut it, especially when you have a machine like mine. I use the Explore Air one. So although I have the maker, but I don't know, I have some attachment to my old one. So basically, you are tightening it up to this part here where the round, semi-round bottom is, and then fold it like so, and then just tighten it, keep it in shape. So once you tighten it, fold it back and place it underneath your flower. So slowly hold the outer side like this and let go of the center to have your rosette bloom in a proper way, and slowly arrange it in a way that you think would look good. So once you have it in the position, flip it backward very carefully. It's a bit tricky at first, but you'll get used to it. So basically, this is your back part. What I want you to do is to create like a cross sign and cover it with your base, which is the end part of your flower. So while the glue is still the glue hasn't affect yet to your flower, you know, you can move it a little bit to really position it so that you'll have a perfect rose. So here you go. That's your rosette. I think it's 2.5 inches and very easy to make. You can fill it with your monogram or whatever arrangement you have. So the second one is the spiky swirl flower that I'm gonna be making. So the same thing, make sure that the end part is on your right side and have your skewer stick and roll that inward towards you tightly, like so, very tight. Oops. So enough that you can hold it firmly end to end, still keep it tight, continue rolling. When you are working with a smaller size, it's pretty easy. But this one, as I said, I was using a 12 by 12 cardstock. So it takes time just to roll it. So again, keep it tight and make sure that the bottom part are level, like so. And place the base and hold the outer part and slowly release the center to loosen it a little bit. Actually, it looks like a lotus to me. So once you are satisfied, flip it and open it like so, and squeeze some glue in it. And when you put the base on it, please be very careful, it's very hot. So again, flip it and work on it while the glue is still hasn't stick on it very well. So you have two options. You can keep it this way, or if you want it more, if you want to add more texture on it, what you can do is with a little screwdriver, just curl each tip and it would give you a different texture. So as I said, although you can stop in here, it's, you know, you have a choice. Like so. So like if you have already like 2 layers of curl sides, you can stop and you see you have additional texture. So again guys, thank you so much for watching. These are gonna be part of the small flower combo that I'm gonna be offering, you know, that you can use in either to cover a shadow box or a monogram. So again, thank you so much, and until next time, bye.